Be for true adventurers. Its quad-motor setup delivers incredible off-road capability and precise control. With nearly 15 inches of ground clearance and water-wading ability, it's built for the wild. The interior balances ruggedness with comfort, and clever features like a built-in air compressor make it trail-ready. For those who crave the outdoors, the R1S is the most capable electric SUV out there. The Audi Q4 e-tron is all about refined, understated luxury. Expect a premium interior, intuitive tech, and a smooth, quiet ride. It's perfect for drivers who want to go electric without sacrificing comfort or style. The Q4 e-tron's design is modern yet classic Audi, fitting in anywhere from the office to a night out. It proves you can have eco-friendly driving in a truly premium package. The Volkswagen ID.4 brings electric driving to the masses. Spacious, practical, and competitively priced, it's designed for families making their first EV switch. With comfort, safety, and value at its core, the ID.4 is the sensible, everyday electric SUV. Maserati's upcoming Alfieri EV SUV promises Italian flair and electrifying performance. Expect over 750 horsepower, stunning design, and a luxurious interior. This is passion on wheels. For those seeking exclusivity and excitement, Maserati's electric SUV will be a true statement. What's driving this revolution? Longer ranges. Many models now top 300 miles per charge. Fast charging is nearly as quick as filling a gas tank, thanks to 800-volt architectures. All-wheel drive, instant torque, and advanced driver assist tech are now standard. Interiors are dominated by massive screens and digital features. These innovations make 2025's electric SUVs